Hello, everyone, and today we're diving into one of the most intriguing debates in the field of child development: nature versus nurture. While both genetics and environment play a crucial role in shaping an individual, I stand firmly on nature. Let's explore why genetics and inherent traits are more pivotal in child development, using specific examples to bolster our understanding. Firstly, let's consider the compelling evidence from twin studies. Identical twins that were separated at birth and raised in completely different environments often exhibit similar behaviors, preferences, and even life choices. For example, the famous Jim twins, separated shortly after birth and reunited 39 years later, were found to have numerous similarities. Both had married women named Linda, owned dogs named Toy, and pursued careers in law enforcement. These parallels underscore the profound impact of genetics over environmental factors. We also talked about this in our tutorial in our class as well, about these twins and how they had very close similarities even though they were separated at birth. Another example highlighting the importance of nature is predisposition to certain medical conditions. For example, the BRCA1 gene mutation, which significantly increases a woman's risk of developing breast and ovarian cancer. The genetic factor can predetermine health outcomes regardless of lifestyle choices or environmental influences, emphasizing the role of biology in our lives. Furthermore, innate temperament and personality traits further support the nature of argument. Psychological research suggests that core aspects of our temperament, such as introversion or extroversion, are largely hereditary. These intrinsic characteristics shape our interactions, preferences, and coping mechanisms from an early age, demonstrating how predetermined traits guide our development. And some may argue that nurture, or the environment that we grow up in, plays a more significant role, citing examples of how upbringing and cultural context, such as behavior and beliefs, while the environment undeniably affects individual development, it often acts on the canvas painted by our genetic makeup. Our innate predispositions create framework within each environmental influences operate. In conclusion, while the nurture aspect of development cannot entirely be dismissed, the evidence strongly supports the view that the nature of our genetic makeup plays more of a decisive role in how a child grows up. From the twin studies to the expression of genetic disorders, nature shapes the core of who we are. Understanding this helps us appreciate the complex tapestry of human development, woven largely by the threads of our genetic heritage. And my references, so first is a PDF file. It's an article called Nature versus Nurture in Knee Osteoarthritis. The Importance of Age, Sex, and Body Mass Index, and that's by Magnuson K. And the second one is, it's actually a book, and it's called The Dependent Gene, The Fallacy of Nature versus Nurture. And it's by Moore D.S. And obviously I didn't read the whole book, but there were a couple things that stuck out to me. I just skimmed through it. And yeah, I got some of the information from there as well. And yeah, thank you for listening.